Hey YouTube, how's it going? It's sitting out there. It's been about 3 days now. Let's do a cold start. Snowing here too. It's been about 3 days. Oh. There we go. And Ben's back. Park it in the garage.